In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone on Squarespace. In other words, I'll show you how to switch your site preview to the mobile or phone view inside the Squarespace editor. This is a quick but essential skill because most visitors browse on their phones, and seeing exactly what they see helps you catch spacing issues, text that wraps awkwardly, or buttons that feel too small to tap. Start on your site's home dashboard in Squarespace. This is the main screen you land on after signing in, where you can access everything related to your site. From here, head into your site workspace by selecting Website. That opens the website area and brings you into the editing environment, where you can make changes to pages, sections, and content. Once you're in the editor, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see device icons that let you toggle the preview between different views. Click the mobile or phone icon. The canvas immediately shifts to the phone layout, giving you a live preview of how your site looks on a smaller screen. That's all there is to it. A couple of helpful notes while you're in this view. What you're seeing is the same content, just displayed at mobile dimensions, so it's perfect for checking readability, spacing, and the flow of stacked elements. Keep an eye on headings that might feel oversized, images that crop differently on narrow screens, and buttons or links that need comfortable touch targets. If you're working with sections that use columns, confirm the order makes sense when they stack vertically on mobile. If the device icons aren't immediately visible, try widening your browser window or collapsing any open side panels. Sometimes the interface compresses when the editor itself is too narrow. Also remember that switching views doesn't publish anything. You're simply previewing and editing with a different frame in mind. Any edits you make in this mode affect your site globally, which is great for maintaining consistency, and you can always toggle back to the desktop icon to compare. Use the phone view frequently as you work. It's the fastest way to spot text that needs a smaller size, a button that should be set to full width, or a section that could use a touch more padding. When you're done reviewing, just click back to the desktop icon or continue editing normally. And that's it. Open your home dashboard, go to Website, and switch to the phone icon in the top right. Simple, reliable, and essential for a great mobile experience.